Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Amazon Prime Video account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Amazon Prime Video account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address primevideo.com and don't enter, and then it will be directed to the home page of Prime Video over here guys. Now in order to log into your account, at the left side of the screen you can see the Prime Video member sign in button available for us in the blue. In order to log into our account, we'll be required to click on the Prime Video member sign in option over here, and then a login page or the login panel like this will open, where you'll be required to enter your username or your mobile number with which you had signed up for a Prime Video account over here, and after that enter your password guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve your password from over here where it says the forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve or reset your account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your username or your email address or your phone number and your password, simply click on the sign in button, and then you'll log into the Prime Video account of yours in a moment. And with that being said guys, this is how you log into your Amazon Prime Video account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.